here working with Dorsanee hair. This is the package that it came in. It comes in this cute box. Inside of the box, you do get a satin bag, a melt band, and an edge brush. I'm gonna leave that out because I know I'm gonna need that. So this is what she looks like. As I stated, this baby is 28 inches, but looks like 30. So this is super, super long, okay? This is what this hairline looks like. I did bleach the knots and tweeze it, but I didn't go crazy. Straps within the wig cap, 2 combs here on the side, and a comb right at the top, along with a comb in the nape area. So it is a 13 by 4, but it does taper. Keep in mind it came with this. Ooh, baby, it's snug. So we'll be back.
The sky, up all night just dancing. I hit you like, please come home to me. Come home to me. But you're not understanding. No. Baby, please, please. I wanted you to raise my mind. I got the key. I just figured you could make time for me. Since you coming home intoxicated. Picture me rolling through downtown in the A4. Picture my signature on a pair of some J4s. Picture me carrying in on Wi-Fi they don't pay for. Knew I needed love, but I think I value the hate more. To push towards things that I pray for. Retrograde energy shifts is what I was made for. Don't you dare hit me back when okay, sure. Soon as I tell you that you the one I would wait for. You too saucy, too flossy. You moved in and moved off me. All the people niggas who just starting to move on. See, maybe I just handled you too softly. Them boys got no police in their blood. If your whole heart wasn't in it, I know a piece of it was. Most of that pic you sent me, it wasn't recent enough. How I'm supposed to wife it, you not Aisha enough. You love getting teed up, love showing the cake, you know that they eat it up. Love touching the road as soon as it's heating up. Invited you over, you say that you showing up. All them spelling mistakes, I know that you drunk up. All them other mistakes, let's let it be what it was. I want you to change my mind, I'm praying you pulling up. Know who you be around, I know that they
Laid my lace and it is melting right now. I'm gonna let it melt for a while because I want this to be half a pop down. And here the lace, you already know I use my ORS wig grip and we're gonna wand this baby up.
Yeah. Leaving me, dipping out on me already. Got what you needed, I guess, quickly. Learned to sell through me already. Gave you what you needed, I guess. Yeah. So I'm not with nobody, cause I don't wanna hurt nobody. Did it over text know you wanna be somebody, even if you gotta leave somebody. Yeah. Yes, I'm hurting, yes, I'm jaded. Most of these things I don't wanna say. I wanna be around while you chase. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Most of these things I don't wanna say. You wanna hit me up when you make it. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yes, I'm hurting.
All done with hairstyle number 1. This is how it came out. The hair does hold a really nice curl. I used hairspray before heat and after, and it is holding. Remember, this is 28, but it looks like a 30. Stay tuned for style number 2.
You'll try and come back when you're famous. I always want the truth, but it's dangerous. You got something real, not basic. You wanna get with me, stop. Yeah. Those on this side, those over on this side. Hey. Told me about all your insecurities for what? Dragged me like 2 hours to your family's house for what? Said you need some time, but I should stick around for what? Always felt like sticking around's the same as being stuck. And like guns with the ink in ya, getting under my skin. Pretty little young thing, had a nigga convinced, got me too excited. Yeah. You played me, you played me, you played me. Low down, dirty, shameful, crazy. I need to know how the new guy does the same thing I do for a living, but it's way less wavy. How you even managing to keep straight faces and all the pictures that I've seen lately? Lord knows you still look amazing. That's besides the point I'm making. You're way too opinionated. I have to force it, I have to fake it. You have potential, I could've shaped it. You went and caved in, we could've waited. I wasn't rushing, difference in ages. You're old enough, but you're...
That'll wrap up the review install for Dorsanee hair. Remember, y'all, this is a really good deal. You can get this wig for $199, originally 2 and change, and it does go up all the way to 30 inches. So I'm gonna have all the details down in the description box. Be sure to check that out. Don't forget to like this video.